need the funk, do 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 do, better have that funk. But that funk better not be you, because that's a problem. Today's video is going to be my hygiene routine, and it's coming at you from someone with OCD and just really weird and extra, and I take forever to get ready. So you know that you can genuinely trust everything that I say in this video. I'm going to be talking you through my hygiene routine, but if you want to see a get ready with me style type of thing, then just give this video a thumbs up so I know to create that type of video for you guys. And while you're at it, you can make sure to click that subscribe button. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hey, let's get it. Let's get it. We hit 7K and I want to just keep the ball rolling. Let's see how many people we can just get to join the glam fam. Why not? Okay, it's free. I'm not charging you anything. I'm charming. But we're just going to get right into my hygiene routine and the things and tips and secrets that I have to keep myself super fresh and super fly. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to skip hair. If you guys want to see a hair care routine, stay tuned because I will be doing that. So I'm not going to really include that in my hygiene routine. Hey guys! Sorry that I am coming at you in the middle of this video with my potato self on my phone camera quality. But I just wanted to let you guys know that right now when this video is up, I'm actually having a hair care giveaway on my Instagram, and it is for the brand Formulate. Formulate is all about customizing your own shampoo and conditioner. It's like you're making your own hair care products. So your shampoo and conditioner is going to be different from Rebecca's down the street, and it's super awesome because you can really have a say in the ingredients that go into your hair care stuff and have a say in what you really want to get out of your hair care products. If you want more information, check out my Instagram at glamanisto8 and make sure to enter because the giveaway is now through July 24th and you can enter to win your own custom shampoo and conditioner, and it's just a really great deal. But I'll let you get back to the video, okay? Because, okay, we're just gonna do that. So let's get on to my face, my skincare, my skinny skin. For my face, I have a pretty regular routine. In the mornings, I don't wash my face with a cleanser because the last time I cleanse my face would be the night before and then I just go to sleep. So what the heck am I doing when I sleep to need a cleanser? Do you feel me? So I literally just wipe down my face with a wet paper towel, and then once I do that, I go in with my regular skincare products, and I always start with a toner. I like the Lush toner that I currently have. It has rose water and lavender in it, and rose and lavender are like my two favorite scents. So when I found that they had them together, I had to get this toner. I'm almost out, so let me know if you guys have a favorite toner from Lush or any favorite skincare products from Lush that you like to use, because I need to go back and replenish my things soon, but I might want to try something new. So I use my toner, then I use my eye cream. Right now I'm using the Drunk Elephant C Firma eye cream, but I just like anything with vitamin C. Then I like to use my serum, and I use the Ole Henriksen Total Truth Serum. This stuff is bomb.com if you want even skin complexion, if you want to get rid of dark spots, hyperpigmentation, if you just want to glow and have soft skin. This does everything for you. And then I use my moisturizer, and my all-time favorite moisturizer is the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour hydration. That stuff is bomb, okay? It's bomb. Bomb. I mask twice, at least twice a week. Usually Sundays I'll use like a clarifying like clay mask. I really like the Freeman de-stress mask. And then I always really like to use my Mean Box mask, the one that's like a Glam Glow dupe. Great dupe for Glam Glow stuff. And if you follow me on Snapchat or Instagram and you see my stories, I often post in this mask because I absolutely love it, and it's super glam and you can peel it off so you don't have to worry about rinsing it off. So it's a great mask if you're lazy, okay? And I also use an overnight mask twice a week, and it is by Peter Thomas Roth. It is expensive. It's their Camu sleeping mask, but I love this. Again, it has the vitamin C, so I use this Monday and Friday nights. And my nighttime skincare routine is relatively the same, but I do use a cleanser. I usually use my Purity Philosophy cleanser with my Clarisonic, but sometimes I switch up my cleansers, so I can use the Murad cleanser, the Clarisonics cleanser, a Freeman Beauty cleanser. I switch it up when I feel like it, but usually it's Purity, okay? Usually I'm pure. Every now and then I'm not. That was a really bad joke. And then I use the same thing. I use the toner, but I use my Clearasil toner because these are like toning pads, so I just feel like it's better to wipe my face down, especially if I wore makeup throughout the day. I use the serum, the eye cream, and then I use a night cream, and I usually just switch that up. I don't really have my go-to night cream yet. Something that I also like to do is use castor oil in my hygiene routine. I like to use that on my eyelashes and on my edges. I like to apply this at night because it'll just help to promote hair growth, but I don't use pure castor oil. I use a castor oil that is specifically sold for hair, nails, and things like that, because sometimes the pure oils can be irritating. So if you feel like that might be a little harsh for you, if you went and tried some pure castor oil, go to Wegmans, get a bottle. That's the hair, skin, and nails. I recommend it. I also like to take my vitamins. I swore by these vitamins for the longest time, and then I felt like they weren't doing anything, so I stopped taking them and my skin completely freaked out on me. So this is like my crack now. But I take the Nature's Bounty hair, skin, and nails biotin gummies. I just love those. They're super easy, they're yummy, and I don't have to swallow pills, so I take those. As far as my dental care, my dental hygiene goes, I get a lot of questions on that too, especially the whiteness of my teeth. I keep it really simple. I usually don't drink sodas. Well, I don't drink sodas at all, and I don't drink coffee. I don't know why I said usually. I don't. So caffeine is very limited to like if I eat chocolate, so that helps, but I also just make sure to floss and brush my teeth and use mouthwash every morning and every night, and it's the simplest thing. Like if you just take care of your hygiene, it's pretty easy to have white teeth, at least to me. I like to use the Colgate whitening toothpaste, one because I don't like traditional toothpaste. It just feels weird to me. I like the gel kind, and I like the whitening just because I just feel like it whitens my teeth, or it helps to maintain the whiteness. But I also do use Smile Brilliant, which is a whitening kit. I will link my video up above that I have on Smile Brilliant. I just do that once a month. At the beginning of the month, I'll whiten my teeth, and it just kind of helps to add the brightness. And I get a lot of comments about how white my teeth are, and I'm really proud of them. So check out that video because Smile Brilliant is really good. Let's get on to the body, because no one wants to smell disgusting, be disgusting, so I got you covered. When it comes to my body, I take a shower every day. Some people say you're not supposed to shower every day, it dries out your skin, da 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 da. I sweat up a storm when I work out, so I'm going to take a shower every day because I work out pretty much every day. I like to make sure that I exfoliate whenever I take a shower, so I always use a washcloth. I never just wash my hands, that just freaks me out. But right now I've been using an exfoliating body wash, so I haven't had to really use my body brush. But I like to use the Duval body brush when I don't use something with exfoliating beads, just to get that exfoliation going, get the blood flowing on the body. I also do shave. I use men's razors only, just because I feel like they work a lot better and they don't have the pink tacks, and usually you get the replaceable blades. So I use the Bic men's razor. I absolutely love it, and I just shave my legs, my armpits. I usually do that like every 2 to 3 days, just so that I don't have any type of stubble whatsoever. I get my area down there waxed, so I don't have to worry about dealing with that except for once a month when I go to get it waxed. And I like to use Summer's Eve, but I only use it once a week, and the main reason for this is Summer's Eve is supposed to be a feminine wash that helps to balance out your pH levels, help you smell good down there. But if you use it too often, I feel like it almost kind of does the opposite of what it's supposed to do, because you're kind of overdoing it. You don't want to do too much, okay? So just use it as you need it. Sometimes I won't even use it once a week. Sometimes I'll just use it when I finish my monthly, because then I might feel like I need like a little bit of added freshness. But for the most part, if you just take care, let your little lady bits breathe every now and then, and you just take care of your body, you don't really have to worry about having to constantly use a feminine wash to smell good down there. You'll just smell fine. When I get out of the shower, I like to pat my skin dry with a towel, but I don't rub because I don't want my skin to be drier than it already is, and I make sure to instantly hydrate my skin because I need it, and I don't want to be wrinkly when I'm 30. So I make sure to use any type of body lotion. Right now I just use the body lotions that I have gotten from Bath & Body Works because I like the scents, but if you want something really hydrating, I recommend either like a cocoa butter formula or even Nivea's lotions. I really liked. They have some firming lotions that I like to use, so I'd recommend this as well. But after I put my lotion on my body, then I make sure to also put on some deodorant, and I like the gel deodorants again over the stick. I really like the powder scent deodorant, just something simple. I don't want my armpits to smell like roses. I just want it to smell good. And then I also spritz my body. Usually 9 times out of 10, like if I'm going to the gym, I also spritz my body beforehand, so when I start to sweat, I don't smell like Cheerios, because for whatever reason, your girl smells like Cheerios when she sweats. It's not normal. I don't know why that is. So I like to spray myself. So 9 times out of 10, I'm wearing the Victoria's Secret Bombshell scent. I just absolutely love love it, and it has sentimental value to me. I actually used to wear that fragrance, a little sample of that fragrance. I would spritz my wrist when I was in middle school because I used to get picked on for my weight, and I wanted to work out and be healthy and find fitness. So I would spritz it as like a motivation for when I worked out. So now I like it because I feel like I reached my goal. I still have a long way to go before I'm like Whitney Simmons or any like fitness guru, but I still look like a chicken nugget. But I've surpassed my goal that I originally had, so I like to wear it as like a celebratory, you got this girl type of fragrance. And I just think it smells really good. It's my favorite scent, so if you want to know what I smell like, that's it. As far as my nails go, you guys are probably wondering about that too. I just maintain my hands by using hand lotion. I have a like $2 hand lotion I got from Target and I absolutely love it, so I use that. And I also try to put on cuticle cream. I really like this Sally Hansen cuticle pen. It's easy because you can just slap it on, rub it in, and go. And I actually don't do my fingernails anymore. I've been going to the nail salon and getting dipped powder nails, which I love because these nails will last for like 3 weeks. You could probably get to 4 weeks. You don't have to put your fingers underneath the UV light and expose yourself to that, which is why I stopped getting gels, but they last longer than gels and they make your nails stronger. It's like as if you were getting acrylic, but it's not acrylic, so it's not damaging to your nails. Absolutely love it. So I do that every 3 weeks. As far as my toes go, I usually paint my own toes and just do it right before I go to get my nails redone, and I always keep my toenail polish white. That's all I need is white nail polish. For my lips, to keep them hydrated and not cracking, I don't really do too much. I like to wear a lip mask at night, so I usually use the Bite Agave lip mask, but that's pretty much it. I have invested in lip scrubs before and then just never used them. If you feel like you really suffer from dry skin, you can probably do that, but honestly, I don't even use a lip scrub. I just happen to have pretty moisturized lips. I wear lip balm in the morning, lip mask at night, and call it a day. Here's one last thing that I'll leave you guys with. When you're using the bathroom, you might need a couple of essential things. I like to carry the Summer Eve's wipes with me, so if I just ever feel like I need to freshen up, I can use that. But I also have a travel size of the Potpourri spray, and I like to use this even when I don't poop. If I just pee in a public bathroom, I like to spray this because it leaves everyone in awe. You leave the stall and everything smells like flowers, and everyone just questions like, why does this girl smell so fabulous after using the bathroom? And you can just flip your hair and be like, girl, maybe she's born with it, maybe it's potpourri. So that's another thing that I'd recommend keeping. Plus they always just smell nice, and it is really convenient if you do have to poop in a public bathroom, which I'm not ashamed to admit I do, especially since I'm a college student. Sometimes you gotta go and you're on campus and you're gonna be there all day. You gotta do what you gotta do, pun intended. So those are all of the things that I can think of for my hygiene routine. If you guys have any remaining questions, let me know in the comments down below and I can answer them for you. But I really feel like that's pretty much it as far as my personal hygiene goes. I'm going to try and link all of the products that I mentioned and showcased in this video in the description box, so make sure to check that out. And I will see you guys next time. Bye guys. Ooh, look at that coverage. Look. Excuse me? Rebecca, I was not prepared for this.